Yeah guys, so we're at our first location. I see the sign. So yeah, up on the road here guys, this is where it takes you to the Stokes Great House. Yeah man, and up there so we are go peeps. So yeah, I'm gonna follow me showing the surroundings. Yeah guys, this is out on the main. We're coming from that direction. Me actually drive past peeps. And then me drive past me I say, but me look on the sign them and I saw that Stokes Great House. Yeah peeps, so I hope that's how we are head today. Alright, me and my brother there, you know man, and Nico. So now follow me. After this guys, then we're gonna try to head to the lighthouse and the Bowden Wharf. Alright guys, so today is gonna be an epic vlog. Yeah peeps, so this is the road up to the Stokes Great House. Alright. So yeah, I'm up on my way. I'll go up there. So as we tell you guys, we are gonna try to do the lighthouse and the Bowden Wharf and any other place we can do today. Because St. Thomas can't be done in one day. Y'all know that. Yeah peeps, so this is the road. Shout out to JSAs. JSA had already came here. And yeah man, big up to JSAs. We actually covered that topic already. But you know, we leave Jamaica to come here because me want to see it for myself, you know? Yeah. So yeah peeps. If you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, remember you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking the red subscribe button, alright? Yeah man, it's free of cost, okay? One thing though, the road is not good. I'm not gonna lie, don't Nico. The road is not good enough at all. Peeps, the road is not so good. I prefer drive on this anytime than on the York to Trinity-ville to see the Valley main road. Them road they are no road. That's the one we seen at the last video guys. So as you know, Elite Jamaica is on the way to 100,000 subscribers. Really appreciate the support and want you guys to help us get there because you know Elite Jamaica is a family. Yeah? Yeah man, so you share with your family members, share with your friends, especially those overseas who haven't seen Jamaica for a while. Yeah? I'm telling you, you know, you see the slave masters them back in the days, them love hide and them love the near river or sea. Easy it where them can get to easy. Me don't know why them have to do that. When they fight this up here, so. No guys, when I think over this one. So I'm go straight up. Because the road will take you out. I think this will take you out to the seaside also. And you want to see the lighthouse too, guys. You know that wants to see that. If you want to see the lighthouse, type lighthouse in the comment section down below. Yeah guys, I saw the road still come up here. Road nice and everything. No issues. I guess I can't yes and neither because I guess a sign is supposed to be there because it's a historical site. And them are going up on the top of the hill peeps as we know. Them like to up on the top of the hill, on the pinnacle of the hill. So I don't think it's those places down here. So just I go straight up. What a beautiful view over there. See it here? Whoa. Guys, I can't show you this now. I have to stop right here and then go film because we just buck up on the thing right in front of my face, guys. Yo! Yeah peeps, so we are finally on location and I can't contain my excitement, you know guys. Like, me just drive and I say, where the place and thing just pop up front of me. Like, just pop up. Trust me, it's a sight to behold guys. And I will love this. Look at the view behind me guys. You see that view there? Decent though. I'm showing that view there. And then we'll enter the castle. Alright, because this is indeed a castle. The Stokes Great House guys. We're at the Stokes Great House. Type Stokes Great House in the comment section if you want to see the house. Alright? Yeah man. Guys, this is the grounds and that's the view over there guys. Beautiful view over there. Yeah. This is the road that we came up here on. I'm just showing one little part. That used to be the lookout post, you know, guys, for the house. Alright, so you'd have to pass this up and check in before you go up at the house. Let me show you the house now, guys. Yeah, peeps. So behind me is the Stokes Great House. Isn't this fabulous? Like, the findings are getting larger and larger by the minute. And still, when we leave here, guys, we want to see the lighthouse. We're gonna go to the lighthouse and we're gonna go to the Bowden Wharf. Alright? So, gonna follow me. So first, you know we always do a walk around first before we go inside, don't? Guys, this big, it's not just the front, look here. Guys, remember I told you that the Colbeck Castle and the Stokes Great House are one and the same, like them have something in common. You know, look here, peeps. It was built like a castle. But guys, take a look at this view over here. Isn't that a beautiful view? Yeah? This is something down here, so. Oh, it's a tree stump. Alright guys, so I'm going to the building and see inside of the building. Come in, Nico. Stay close so you can get my eyes. Go look at me. So guys, this is one section of the house. Alright, it seems I'm gonna find the remember the Stoke, the Colbeck Castle, guys, when I showed you guys the blueprint and everything. I'm gonna look for that and see how this was set up because it's really hard. As you guys notice, it goes all the way to there. It's 2 stories. Could have been 3 because same as how we realized that the Colbeck Castle had a 3rd story downstairs, I never realized would be the same here. And if it's here, I should think that there's a tunnel will be running going out to sea, out to the lighthouse, alright? But I'm gonna find out. What else look, guys? Now I wonder if I saw the house will be right up this 4 parts, 1 room, 2 room, 3 room, 4 room, or it had the interior part made out of board, because if most of these buildings, same as the Colbeck Castle, the inner parts were made out of board, so them get destroyed. So we can't. But here are compartments, guys. You can notice we're marking. Yeah, this was another room right here. So yeah, guys, I think it was the whole house. But then the inside parts were made out of board. That's what I thought. That's what I think. You guys, fabulous. Yeah? I'm going to look for one over here for now, guys. And as you notice, when I'm walking, I'm actually walking on the columns and the foundation of the house. This is our next piece going straight out there. That's one and over there. Alright? Left my key in my car. Make a phone. Yeah guys, so we just going to cut from the angle like how they're out here, so guys. Here please. And again, this place is fairly well kept. Alright? Yeah, we can't get them that. And if you notice, here they have, it seems as if they had used some form of a concrete material right there. And the board is still there, guys. And that's over 100 years old, maybe over 200 years old. Alright, here we go again. The board is still here. Come in with the camera. Let me show you this. Guys, let me see this. Let me this.
This one.
You see that, guys? That's a spider. Yeah, big spider web. I'm not going to die still. Yeah guys, Here I'm seeing some windows in this part of the house from outside. I see them, I wonder what them for. Those small places right here. Alright, I don't see what that for. Could be somewhere for board or something to be inserted, but I don't think so. Alright, here again we have one. That seems to be a lookout point, but up top we have them, and those seems to be lookout points up top. Alright. Yeah guys, and we have one more of them thing right down here, so again, I'm not sure what these are for. Could be for stairs to go upstairs. So one more here guys. It seems that board is somewhere to insert board. So it seems like the top floor was actually, the board was inserted into those columns to hold them. Because one more there right there, so for peeps. One there, so one there, so one there, so. So what else could this be? I'm not sure. You know? So I could take a look over next time. I'm not go back on that. Okay, no, yes. Yeah, peeps. So we look over that side here. And the board is still here, guys. I don't know how much years out about this. And it's the same functions. We have the holes inside. Now, guys, take a look at this. Board. There was board inside here. I'm not sure why board would have been in here. But there was board inside here. Board was inserted into the walls. There's one more. I'm not sure what these are for. I swear I don't know what they're for. And they're only in the corners. And they're upstairs also. I don't know what them for. But guys, this was a very magnificent building. Type magnificent in the comment section down below, if you believe what I say. Alright? Now guys, we're gonna take a look at this. I'm not sure what sort of I'm not sure what this structure is, but we'll take a look and start finding out what it is. Okay guys, the first story I heard was that this was a lookout point for the house, but after looking at this I really don't think so. This is more like a tank, guys. You know, this would have been a tank because there's no entrance on the sides. This is something for storing water. If it's not a tank, it would have to be a dungeon, and it's not a dungeon. So this would have been a tank, guys. You know, I'm not sure the reason why the tank would have been here, but this would have been a tank. Okay guys, so that is the structure over there. Some beautiful view behind me, you know, guys. Like seriously, I'm not even want to left up so nice type, nice in the comment section down below. Alright? Yeah man. So peep, yeah, this is the Stokes Great House. Yeah man. So we're gonna try to find the lighthouse. Now the lighthouse should be somewhere over there. So I'm gonna see nowhere not the open. Lighthouse supposed to be somewhere over that side. So I check the GPS, guys, and we'll find a place there and get that documented also. Look on the castle, guys, look on the house. Magnificent. One of our greatest finds again, you know. But honestly peeps, I'm not gonna say it's our greatest. Colbeck Castle still holds that record. If you don't believe me, type that in the comment section down below. Alright? But this is fantastic. This is great. You know, and a whole of slave labor going to building this, guys. Our ancestors who were slaves to build this house and they never get a chance to live in it. But what I'm wondering, guys, why after slavery, when all these people went back to the UK, to England and those places, why didn't the Jamaican government or the people in Jamaica, or say ex-slaves, why they never like occupy the places? Why are these places still left to ruin even up to this days? Like the government not really want to touch certain property. Some of these buildings are in proper condition, and yeah, some of them restored and stuff like that, but it's not being used to like facilitate revenue coming into the country and nothing like that. I'm not sure why, if these buildings are condemned by the Jamaican government or what, but we need to look into that, guys. So we're gonna move on to the lighthouse and then onto the Bowden Wharf. Alright guys, so wanna follow me. Yeah peeps, so we actually dip on location at the lighthouse, the Morant Lighthouse. We finally reached, peeps. Alright, kinda noisy. I'm showing you that me hear somebody over here, I don't know who the person is. Tell me to drive in and all of that. But I'm not driving the car, see the car out there, so I'm going to show you the lighthouse, alright? Because it look out to sea, we signal the ship them. Alright, so guys, that is the lighthouse right there. I'm gonna see if I can get a chance to go up inside of the lighthouse. Seems like somebody over here, I'm not sure who, but hopefully it's no threat. Me and Nico there, I see Nico there. Yeah man, so yeah peeps. Let's see what I'm going. That look like the other cathedral over here, a church or something. And I always hear the stories about the lighthouse keeper. Just hope it's nothing like that, alright? But that building looks to me like it was a cathedral right there. There are other buildings over there also. So, yeah, I have a close camera while I talk to that person. Don't want to get them on camera if they don't want to be on camera. So this is the lighthouse, guys. Alright, so now see if we can get up inside of that. And then we work from here. Alright. Yeah peeps, so we are at the Morant Lighthouse. As I told you guys, I promised you this. Trust me. Peeps, and you see the drive you come on here, so the drive you come on here, so never normal, no peeps. Come here. The drive you come on here was like, what am I saying? About, I think, 13 kilometers. Yeah, see how far away some park, peeps? Show them the carrots. Isn't it? So guys, these buildings here, I'm not sure what these were, but we're gonna look at it. When we look at these, we see history. No? Yeah man. I go up to the lighthouse in a piece, so hold on to this first. Yeah man. Yeah, peeps. Really a piece of history. Some of these buildings also are cornerstones. A lot of persons don't know about those. We have researched some of those too. A lot of these buildings actually had cornerstones where they store information inside. Rock that is in the foundation. So, as you notice, we realized that there was actually, show them that there was actually a marine emblem on the building. So this seems like this was a ship house, like where they stayed. You as a person who took care of the lighthouse, you'd have stayed here. Alright, so follow me. And this seems to have been the facilities, walking facilities and all that. And here guys, we have some lovely boats. You see them? Yeah, please. So, as you know, I haven't got any history about this lighthouse. I actually hear about it. I'm a search it, and trust me peeps, it wasn't a normal search to find this. We're not going to see the driver when I get back home, but I'm going to look at this. It looks like solar panels are made. We don't know how. Okay guys, these are solar panels. I have to look on the lighthouse. So peeps, we actually have a beach on the other side. Yeah, please. How beautiful is all of this? This is like so magnificent. Let me show you something, guys. Alright, so this is the ocean over there. Yeah, that's the lighthouse entrance right there. It locked me. I go ask the guy if I can go inside. Hopefully him say yeah. Alright, so I could go do that now. Elder. The lighthouse accessible. Can you see up there? Alright. Yep, this seems to open a well, right here. Well, now I can't see another because it's ice still peeps. But Janu, I'm so goddamn excited being right here. Guys, thank you all so much for your donations to the channel. Thank you for watching the videos. If it wasn't for all of you guys, we wouldn't be able to come here because we did have to drive from us, so we couldn't walk from us peeps. Because it's way off for the main. I like 13 kilometers off for the main. Alright, so I'm not showing the part of the journey when I get back home. But trust me, far guys. And part of our history. We're here. So, like, them pick you up from work and then pick you up.
Why?
Oh, right. What are your names?
Jada, my name now.
Jada.
Jada,
Okay.
yeah.
And okay, lighthouse. So the building over there, so that was the original building, like the one we up on a while ago.
Yeah, and they said one of the things that the burn it get burned down, you know.
Oh,
Yeah. On fire, yeah.
Okay. It's an amazing thing, all the things that are close to water always get burned down. Because we got St. Mary the other day and the courthouse in St. Mary, you know, so fire burned it down. The fire station on the right almost next door.
Know that.
So, I don't know, the place them where some of the children.
So we just make one children inside, but we don't know the running there, the pants up. I have to know what kind of media you are going to if you make a one picture, what kind of media you are going to put it.
Well, you just need an educational purpose.
Alright,
As you know, guys, it's an educational video, isn't it?
when you go up on the top,
Yeah.
you can walk, there's a balcony door, you can walk and come out.
Guys, this is
Yeah.
a piece of our history, guys. An important piece of our history. Babes, when I know I'm afraid of heights, but right now, who's scared? Me? I'm not scared anymore. Come here, my friend.
No, sir.
Let me see your phone. Okay, so people come in. Let me know. Give me that. Yeah, guys, so that obviously is the center, the battery that works the light on the lighthouse. And that's the step that we just came up. Alright, I'm wipe out my camera, peeps. Alright, guys, so yeah, that's the battery over there. That's the battery over there, guys. Alright, so the step there. And yeah, I'm gonna go up some more step. Yeah, peeps. Nico, come up, Nico, afraid of heights. Yeah, guys, so go up again. Up again, guys. Guys, I'm afraid, like, I feel like the lighthouse a shake, peeps. I'm gonna go up and see if on the top floor of this, guys. I'm afraid right now, I swear. And I know I'm afraid of heights, so I'm sweat. But I have to go up there, son. Yeah? I have to go up there, so guys, man, I'll go up no further after me just saying up that further look righteous. These are my, I'm sure of this. Peeps, it's really high, alright, and look there. See that? I'm afraid of heights and think them feel like they must shake, so I never wanted a chance there. But yeah, we'll reach, guys, and trust me, the view here, you see everything all around. Never shown you that, guys. There's no way no ship can miss the light flashing on this lighthouse. Yeah? I'm showing you that. Guys, all around. Those are the buildings down there. The coast. How does one measure a coastline? How does countries measure their coastline? And them always know the measurement when the coastline is always changing. I'm not sure. Is it an estimated measurement? So the coastline, the peeps. So you can see ships from all around. At least ships can see you from all around. So them can't miss the lighthouse. Alright. So here guys. We're head back downstairs now. Yeah man. Yeah peeps, so after we come from the lighthouse and we're passing right here, I actually see one piece like it's an older construction. I'm not sure what it was. It seems like some fort or something like that, but I think it was like a wharf. I'm gonna show you that guys. Alright. Yeah peeps, so this is the construction right here guys. I'm not sure what it was. Coconut tree them on the beautiful Caribbean setting. Typical though. Yeah guys, and then we have over here. Alright, so we can actually see the bricks. It's like a house was here or something. We can actually see the bricks. And then we have these concrete parts right here, peeps. Alright, and this is down on the beach side. So there was indeed a building here. Not sure what it was though. There's another piece up there. Not sure what was here guys, but a building was here of some sort. Yeah. So this looked as if it was the entrance. Maybe this was the entrance to the where you come off for your boat or a thing like that, but I'm not sure. And this is all building material here. There's also another piece of concrete over there. Yeah. So, and we have beach. Beautiful beach. Unknown beach when nobody know about Prettiston. So guys, we can list this as an unknown beach. No? Who want me list this as an unknown beach? Click or type that in the comment section down below. Alright? Coconut tree them guys. Yeah man, so peeps, I think we're out of here to the next location right now. After 4, we'll try to get to the Bowden Wharf. Alright, so I'm gonna try to show you all that guys. Alright, yeah man. Where on this one, Nico? Yeah guys, so I just have a look what around that side here. I'm not sure what around there, but I know me stare. That look like one cave gone in the side. So the maca juke me a while ago in a wicked, you know. Like one of them itch up on my skin, yo. Same thing. Mess me up body, yo. Just hope it's not a poison maca. Seriously, dog. Cause it'll burn me, yo. Yeah, guys, so more seaside for y'all. Beautiful ocean, the Caribbean Sea. Alright, guys, so we're out of here to the next location. Peeps, we're out of here. To the next location, guys. Come in. So if I junk with them, I don't know what they did there. Somebody live over there, you know. Now there's a dead man over there. So you see junk with them? Just go down the place, just feel away here. And then we'll go look and see junk with them stuff. You know what them did there. guys, and thanks again for watching. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section down below, and I do hope you found this video informative. Alright, so look out for the All on the Great House, the barracks, and the hanging tree coming next in part 2 of the St. Thomas historical tour series. Alright, y'all stay safe.